I have a confession. I bought the ugliest, most overrated, hideous, disgusting, hipster shoes that I could buy. I bought white Air Force Ones. So you might be asking me, Bailey, why in the world would you buy the shoe that every teenage boy and girl in the world wears right now? They are a disgrace to the culture. Not white Air Force Ones themselves, but the way they wear them. These kids buy all white Air Force Ones, brand new, just to wear them, beat them up, and look like you ran a 5K through a swamp whenever you're done. No, I decided I'm gonna buy a pair of Air Force Ones that someone has done that to. I'm gonna clean them and make them cool again. Nice box. I gotta take these off the freaking bed. Oh my gosh. First things first. I'm gonna clean these, deep clean them, and then we're gonna see what we can do with them. Cue the cleaning montage. Alright, so here's the project. I have been inspired by this guy that I've been following on Instagram for a while. His name is Joshua Avides, maybe Joshua Avides, I don't want to say that wrong. I'm more or less copying what he did, but I think what he does is super cool. Just his artwork is really cool. So that's what I'm going to do for these, considering I bought these for less than $30 on Mercari. And let's see if we can maybe flip them, or let's see if we could just turn this into a really cool shoe. Now let's cue the artist at work montage. Update number 2, coming along very well now. Got a little smear spots, but I'm gonna try to take that off with an alcohol wipe later. What up? This is currently day 3 of me working on this freaking shoe. It's coming along. The inside's looking pretty good. I got a little speck right here, a little annoying, and I got a little bit of paint right here. Sorry, let me say marker. Let me finish eating this M&M real quick. Okay, I think it's looking pretty good, but I obviously need to get the stitches right here, and I need to do the laces. That's going to be a real pain in the butt, and I really don't know how I'm going to do that. I really don't know how I'm going to get that done, but also I need to hit every single one of these on the bottom, and I feel like I may need to go around the bottom a little bit thicker. So this was a pain, but it's coming along. Let's get back to work. I'm currently doing the laces and literally coloring each edge of the lace with Sharpie. This is taking a whole lot longer than I thought it would, but we're making progress. So here we are. We've made it this far. Day 4. I finally finished the shoes. I'm very satisfied with the outcome. The laces took forever, but here is the finished product. We have these. I'm so stoked on the outcome of these. Having to do the stars was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I just took a Sharpie, took the side of the Sharpie and like rubbed it against it, and it was able to get the stars pretty good. I did this with pen. I'm going to take some clear coat spray paint to them, and I even had to do the Nike logo, get all of that just so carefully. And I think the laces are what makes this shoe for me. But boy, am I so excited how these turned out. I think they look so good. They look good in person. Hopefully they look good on camera. But here's just a side-by-side view of a clean pair of Air Force Ones. Well, kind of clean. I bought these and cleaned them. They were a little junky at first, but I bought these, cleaned them. That's what they look like new. Here's what they look like finished. I'm debating on if I want to clean these because this took a total of 6 hours. So I just cracked it out in short periods of time, like an hour and a half here, hour and a half there. Finished on day 4, before, after. So stoked on how these shoes turned out. So let's take a closer look at them. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you think I should do the other pair. And if I do the other pair, should I try to sell them? Should I try to see if I could turn a $33 pair of shoes into a $100 pair of shoes? Granted, that would probably take me 6 more hours, maybe 4, since I've already done it at this point. But let me know what you think I should do in the comments. Or if any of you guys are interested in these, let me know. I'll certainly hook you up. I'll send you the other pair. If you want them that bad, maybe I'll do the other pair for you. But just let me know. There we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have a crazy pair of sneakers coming in the mail right now, and I will be uploading that video very soon. So please subscribe to my channel. Please turn your post notifications on and stay tuned for the next video. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, viewing, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.